On January 9, 2026, a circuit board recycling machine from Doing was officially shipped to Zambia. This machine provides an automated recycling solution for a local electronic waste recycling company, helping it transition from traditional manual processing to efficient mechanized recycling. Addressing the unstable power supply situation in Zambia, Doing engineers specifically optimized the equipment's energy consumption, effectively reducing overall power consumption while maintaining core performance, thus meeting the client's local operating conditions. Doing's circuit board recycling equipment encompasses crushing, pulverizing, sorting, and dust removal processes, efficiently separating and purifying valuable metals from waste circuit boards, helping clients realize the resource recovery and value creation of electronic waste. By introducing Doing's automated circuit board recycling system, the client will improve processing efficiency and safety, obtain more stable recycling revenue, and achieve the dual goals of environmental protection and economic benefits. Doing continues to provide flexible, practical, and economical recycling technology solutions to global clients, contributing to the development of sustainable circular economy initiatives worldwide.